Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss the problem number 704, which is binary search. First of all, we need to understand what is the problem statement. We have a given array of integer nums which is stored elements in ascending order, which is sorted, an integer target, and we have to write the function to search the target in nums. If we found the target, then we need to return its index, otherwise we just need to return -1. And we must need to write our algorithm with O log of n runtime complexity. That means we need to sort this problem with actual binary search algorithm. First of all, we can see that we have an example number 1, input nums. Num stored elements in it -1, 0, 3, 5, 9, and 12, and we have a target value 9. Output is 4 because 9 exists in the nums and its index is 4. And in second example, we can see that input nums target is 2, but this target is not existing in nums, so the output is -1. In the explanation, we can see that 2 does not exist in nums, so we return -1. If you understand this problem, let's jump on the code. First of all, we need to take 2 pointers. We can solve it by taking 2 variables. First of all, we can initialize the 0th index, and we need to initialize the last index of the nums. So we initialize a variable left to 0 and right to variable right to length of nums. Length of nums -1, I think. Yes. The indices of the first and last element in nums, and we are initializing both of the indexes with left and right. For that, we are going to apply a while loop. While our left index is less than or equal to our right index, if this condition is satisfied in while loop, then we can move further and we can find the mid, and we can access our targeted value in nums. So for mid, I am taking a variable named mid, and I need to write here left. What is the formula of calculating the mid? Left minus right, and we are going to the floor and floor division with 2. And now we can see that if we implement this code, our left is here and right is here. So left is less than right. Okay. If we are calculating the mid, what is the mid? Left, that means 0, and right, that is 5. So if we are taking it like mid, I'm writing here a pseudocode. Left 0 plus left 0 minus 5. For mid formula, we need to subtract left from the right, and this value with 2 in floor division, our answer will be 2. Not in points, not in decimal. Here we can see that our mid is 2. Okay. After calculating the mid, we need to find target value is existing in nums or not. For that, we need to check if nums of mid. That means if num of 2 is equal of target, that nums of 2, nums of 0 is -1, nums of 1 is 0, and nums of 2 is 3. So num of a mid, that means num of 2, which is 3. Is 3 is equal to 9? No, 3 is not equal to 9. So if it's not equal to 9, that we need to adjust left and right. But if it is equal to the target, that what we need to return here, we need to return mid. Okay. In elif condition, for adjusting the left and right, since we have num of 2 which is less than the target, we need to update left to the mid plus 1, which become left is equals 3. In elif we can check that nums of mid is less than target, then we need to update left by adding 1 into the mid. Now our left is 3. Calculate the mid again. Now we have mid 3. Here we have mid 2, and now we are calculating the mid again. Then mid is updated and we have mid 3. For 3, we can check if num of 3 is equal to the target, and num of 3 is 5. Here num of 3 is 5, which is not equal to the target. Again, it's not equal. So we need to update the left to the mid plus 1, which become left is equals to 4. Okay, 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. Here mid is 4 now. Calculate the mid again. Now mid is 4. Check if num of 4 is equal to the target. Num of 4 which is equal to the target, then return the mid. Num of 4. Num of 0, num of 1, num of 2, num of 3, and num of 4. Yes, num of 4 is equal to the target because 9 is equals to 9. So what it will return? It will return the mid. But in that case, if it's not found, then what should we do here? We just need to subtract 1 from mid and assign the value to the right, like that. In else, if we are unable to find our target value, just we need to return -1 as it is given into the problem statement. Okay, now we can check that whether it's correct or not. Okay, it accepted all the test cases. Let's submit it. Our solution is fulfilling the requirement of this condition which has given into the problem statement. Now we have successfully found it. We did not use any extra space, so our space complexity is O of 1, which is constant, and our time complexity is O of log of n for this code. Thanks for watching this video. Just subscribe my channel for more coding tutorial. Thank you.